Hi friends, if you are in plan for making a website for fashion and e-commerce, this video is for you, and I have a great choice for you in this video. This is Elementor based Kera e-commerce WordPress theme, and it has got a very wonderful look in itself, and it has all the modern facilities in fact for e-commerce website. And this is going to be a good catch for your e-commerce website, for specifically for fashion e-commerce, and this is why this theme has been selected to be here on this channel. And you have a reason to watch this video until end, that you never know what features are available on the theme which you are going to select, and I am going to showcase all the features of this theme. We will also import the demo content along with the installation, and we preview the theme options, customization options of Kera WordPress theme in this video. So Kera is fashion Elementor WooCommerce theme, and it has been developed by the Theme Bay, and they are elite authors. The theme is actually new, and it was developed in last year only, and the regular updates for this theme is also being done. So we can say this theme is a stable version of Elementor based WooCommerce website, and you can of course choose this theme for a modern e-commerce website. So let us begin the installation. I have a fresh installation of WordPress in which the default 2021 WordPress theme has been installed, and I got the theme pack as well. In the theme pack I have documentation, licensing, some plugins are here, the Revolution slider is given, and sample data has been given, and the theme files itself. So main theme file and child theme file is here for our use. And for installing we have to go in the theme section of WordPress, click on add new, upload theme, choose file, and here you need to choose the kera.zip file, and you can also upload the same file directly on your hosting WP content themes folder. I am doing the same. It will save some time, and I'll be able to show you the theme file size. And the theme file size is really wonderful, and it is well optimized. It is just 4.08 MB in size. It is really a lightweight theme, and it is going to work very fast on your website, and this is going to give you an extra advantage of speed to your website, which is very necessary. No one likes the slow website nowadays, and faster website wins the race, of course. And once the progress bar turns green, we have to wait for turning it green, and yes, once the progress bar turns green with 100%, we can go back and extract the uploaded file, and the extraction outcome is this Kera folder in which we got all the theme components, folders and files are here. So now we can delete the zip one. We have already extracted its elements, and it is just consuming the server space. Now we are fine to go in the theme section of WordPress again, and now we have Kera as another theme option. Let us check the details. It is Kera version 1.1.6 by Theme Bay, and it is fashion Elementor WooCommerce theme, of course. So we can activate it now. And upon activation we got an alert that we need to install certain plugins for using this theme. Let us check what plugins are here. These are the list of plugins. Almost all are required, and 2 are recommended as well. So I am going to install all the plugins as I need to showcase all the theme features to you, and you may skip the recommended ones, but I will advise you to install all the plugins. And I am choosing to install all 11 plugins in one go. If you are not confident about your server capacity, just install the plugins one by one to avoid any error. during the installation process, and the plugins are being installed now. Now all plugins has been installed, and now we can go for activating the plugin, and I am choosing to activate all plugins in one go. And now plugins are being activated. So all plugins has been activated, and we have to click on the dashboard whether it needs certain information, like WooCommerce needs basic information upon activation, like it is redirecting on the WooCommerce basic information page, and you have to put all the basic information like address and area of operation, like things. And I am skipping this because my WooCommerce has been installed. It is fine. And now, since all the plugins and theme itself has been installed, we can take a look of our website, how it looks with the theme and plugins. And this is the basic look of Kera WordPress theme, and it is of course without any demo content. This is why it is looking very clear and showing nothing. So at this stage we are targeting a website like this, so we have to import the demo content to make a demo website like this, to put original content. And now I am exploring where the demo content installer is there. Theme setup is here. Let me find out the demo content importer, and yes, it is a setup wizard in fact. So we can start a setup wizard. Just click on the install child theme, or okay, so I am installing the child theme as well. However, it is not so required, but it is fine. And so we are having to choose the home 1 to 3 to import as demo content, and we have already seen the demo website. It has 1 to 3 and you can choose any home page for your website as you like and as you need. The demo is 2 and this one is 3. So I am going to give the link of this demo in the description of this video. So I am choosing home 1 for importing the demo, and all the content options has been checked, and just click on import. And now the import process has begun, and it is showing the progress in percentage at the screen, and we have to wait on this screen until it gets complete, because it is going to connect the developer server. It may take time, because it downloads the media file and all such things. So we have to be here without leaving or refreshing this page until it gets complete, and your due patience is required here. Now it is on 99%, and widgets has been imported, content has been imported, and the framework and after import process has been complete, and it is now 100%. And all done. Have fun, view your website. It is saying. Yes, something good is loading up, and Kera based e-commerce website is here, and it is on your screen now. And yes, so all demo images has been given, and the complete website is here without any hassle, without any trouble, without an error. So it is all here, and we can simply check the pages. Okay, good. So it has got a wonderful and a stunning look, no doubt, and yes, so all pages and functions are working fine. I'll just check the add to cart options, and okay, so size and color need to be checked. Add to cart, so color swatches are very good, and add to cart is here, and the view cart option is here, and we can go for checkout process now. It is fine. So we got a wonderful website and this activity, and that is fine. And this is our outcome website. Yes, and this is a wonderful website, of course. So all pages are here. We can even choose to use these pages, and so let us check what pages we got in the demo content. And I'll show you the pages. After that I'll show you the theme options. So we got 41 published pages in the demo content, and of course we can use all these pages or whatever is required for our website, and sales, flash sales, privacy policy, attributes, shop and shopping cart, and all team members, and like pages are here, and all made with Elementor. So Elementor is wonderful page editor, and track my order is also here, so it is also a good thing. Okay, so order ID and email, okay, fine. So all is good in this theme, and now I'll show you the theme options and what we got additional in the WordPress installation. These are swatches. Swatches is additional. So swatches control, advanced, performance, style, archive, soap, special attribute and tutorials are here. Header builder and footer builder, mega menu builder, WooCommerce is by default is here, appearance, and now the Kera options. I will go for it and showing you all the options available for setting up this theme. And Kera child is active, so I'll do, I will activate the Kera main theme, and under themes we can do this. So Kera main has to be activated. Child is only for customizing the theme, and now we are fine for Kera options, and now it is Kera options, you can see. So header control is here, and general options, header, footer, mobile options has been given. So something like enable mobile login and all such things. Mobile header, mobile menu, footer, search, mobile WooCommerce. So it is good that mobile has a different setup in this theme. And style editor is here, and typography, main, header, mobile, WooCommerce setup is here. So mini cart, breadcrumb, shop, single product and all such things are here. Blog setting is here. Social share, performance, so performance can be optimized, and all controls has been given enough to control your website, and I don't think you need any additional setting, and all slider evaluation is already here, so you can change your slider. And for editing the content, you can simply use the Elementor page builder, and just open the page and click on the edit with Elementor. You can edit the content of page. Elementor is so easy to use, so even a non-technical person can use the Elementor for editing the page contents. And what I'll rather advise you to take a backup of, at least for home page, using any duplicator plugin, so that just in case you made any mistake, you can restore the page. And now Elementor page editor is loaded, and just click on the pencil icon. You will be able to change the content or settings in the left panel. So things are coming from the products listing, so there is nothing like much settings to be here, but whatever is required, it can be set from here, and like things are here. So all is good, and I believe you will be able to make a very wonderful e-commerce website using Kera WordPress theme. And you might have certain questions regarding this theme, so you can write in the comment section of this video, and even you can get in touch directly with me for one-to-one interaction. I am going to give the link of my website where you can get Kera WordPress theme simply by clicking magenta color button, and the hosting options also available just in case you need that. And you can start a discussion with me for any support. I would like to answer your queries as well. So and I believe you have already subscribed this channel, and you are a regular visitor of this channel. I am going to bring wonderful themes, plugin and utilities for you. Thank you for watching.